Hey everyone. Welcome back to Trending Now in USA channel, your go-to source for the latest tech news. Today, we've got an important update that's affecting thousands of users across the US and beyond. If you're one of the many Microsoft 365 users out there, this one's for you. Stay tuned. Microsoft 365 is experiencing major disruptions today, leaving thousands of people unable to access essential tools like Word, Excel, Teams, and Outlook. According to reports from Downdetector, the outage began earlier this morning and has been widespread, affecting users in multiple regions. Downdetector, a popular website that tracks service outages, showed a massive spike in reports around specific time. Most complaints were related to login issues, problems with accessing emails, and slow performance on Microsoft Teams. As we all know, Microsoft 365 is a crucial tool for businesses, schools, and organizations, and this kind of outage can cause major disruptions. So far, Microsoft hasn't released a detailed explanation about the cause of this outage, but they've acknowledged the problem and are working on a fix. The company took to social media, updating their Twitter account and service status pages to keep users informed. Some users are reporting intermittent recovery, but for many, the issues are still ongoing. Here's what we know. Microsoft is investigating what they're calling networking issues, and they're actively working to restore services. This isn't the first time Microsoft 365 has experienced outages. Just last year, similar disruptions occurred, causing headaches for millions. Now, if you're a student trying to hand in your homework on Teams, or a professional just trying to get some emails sent out, I know you're frustrated. Trust me, I feel your pain. But what does this mean for the future of cloud-based productivity? Outages like this really make us wonder how reliable cloud services are, especially when they're so critical to daily operations. Hopefully, Microsoft will resolve this quickly, and we'll be back to business as usual. But until then, let us know in the comments below, are you affected by this outage? How is it impacting your day? Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update.